So here is the ElevenLabs API Key tutorial. But before we start, click on my link below to get a discount on ElevenLabs. So to get started, first up, let's head over to the ElevenLabs website. And as you can see, I'm already here. From here, you can click on Upgrade on the bottom left in order to access the pricing plans. So let's go over to the pricing page, and here you can view all the plans that they offer. You can also select 11 API to view the pricing for using the API. Now, if you go over to the main dashboard, you can see a developers option on the bottom left. Click on it. Over here under developers, you can see the option that says API keys. Click on it and you will get to see something like this. From here, just click on Create Key. After that, you can name your API key on the top right. Then, just go through all of these options and select Access on whichever ones that you want to use. For example, if you only want to use text-to-speech, click on Access for that, and then click on Create Key on the bottom right. Then just click on Create Key and you will receive your own ElevenLabs API Key. And that's it. That is the ElevenLabs API Key tutorial.